YouTube friends. Welcome to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to make a wreath with dry hydrangeas from the garden. It's a simple craft that delivers a lot of impact and elegance. Let's get started. I am reusing a 14-inch grapevine wreath that I already have. These hydrangeas were cut from the garden about 3 to 4 weeks ago. The petals are delicate and brittle. I might have waited a bit too long to make this wreath, but I'll give it a shot. I am cutting and sorting the petals by color and size. Watch out for ladybugs and spiders hiding inside the petal clusters. After sorting, I choose the petals I like and glue them onto my grapevine wreath. It's that simple. When harvesting your hydrangeas, leave your stems long and cut above the leaf node. Remove all the leaves and put them in a vase with about an inch of water. Do not add water to the vase again. Leave the flowers to dry. When the petals are dried, they feel like paper. Try not to burn your fingers while using the hot glue. I find that cutting a long stem gives me more room to maneuver and secure the petals onto the wreath. Well, there you have it. A beautiful hydrangea wreath made from flowers from the garden. I love all the romantic hues of green, pink, and brown. Fall is definitely in the air. To help preserve the flowers, give the finished wreath a few coats of hairspray. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy wreath project. Maybe you'll give it a try? Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.